Hi Jesse, Ebbs here from Burtness Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a quick walk around video on our 2020 3/4 ton Silverado with the 6.6 liter gas motor here. Does have the custom package along with it, so it does have the nicer wheels. It does have remote start, spray and bed liner, full towing package along with the tonneau cover. Got your two backup cameras right here. You can see all the trailering provisions are already set up. Vehicle only has 9,000 miles on it. It is a one-owner vehicle, personally owned, was not a corporate vehicle. Did add running boards and heated seats. And as you can see here, it does have the big trailering mirrors on there. And does have the nice fog lamps there. Now on the inside, said vehicle does have remote start. Does have your heated seats right here, added on. Does have your four-wheel drive settings right here and your trailering modes. Does have your cruise control options. Step on inside. See, truck only has 9,000 miles on it. Still has your backup camera. Still has the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and all the trailering provisions there with access to your rear camera when you're not pulling anything. And then here you have all your AC and heating settings along with your integrated trailer brake controller there. You can see here you do have the full bench seats, so you can have more people in the front. The added room in the back here with a lot more headroom. You can see right up there. Now these seats do fold up for added storage. You can see the all-weather floor liners right there. In the back here, power release tailgate does have the spray and bed liner from the factory along with the low pro tonneau cover there. Very, very nice looking truck. See tires that have plenty of tread on them. Great looking truck, Jesse. If you'd like to take a look at it in person, please give me a shout. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thank you.